Hi, I'm Melissa Milburn, and I'm here at FiRe 2013. Joining me today is Kirsten Bay, President and CEO of Intensity. Intensity is one of our FiReStarters this year, and we're so pleased that you could join us for this. What an honor. And we'd like to know a little bit more about your company. What is it that you do, and how do you think that your company will change the world?
Well, thank you very much for having me. Intensity to date has been a social media analytics and listening platform. What's interesting about that is we utilize natural language programming in addition to text analytics programming. This is a differentiator from companies like Radian6 or Clarabridge, where we do exhaustive extraction, where you can really understand not only the intent of a customer, but the sentiment of a customer, or what's happening out in the Twitter universe, or through 150 million different feeds that are coming in from the internet. We're transitioning our platform beyond just the listening piece to a more corporate intelligence focused piece that connects that unstructured data, so everything that's out floating around on the internet, to create much more context and understanding of the whys of what people are talking about, so that companies can understand how to make strategic decisions as well as those short-term tactical decisions that you can aggregate into broader understanding across platforms in your organization.
So real time for crisis communication situations as well.
Exactly, and it's very useful to be able to understand churn in an environment that a customer might have. You know, if you're a telecom or if you're a large production company that's having a large product launch, as an example. But beyond that, being able to aggregate those conversations that happen inside your company and outside on the internet and in the world to then create context for those bigger strategic decisions. So developing analytics around what those conversations are, around the vocabulary of what people are saying. So it's a very robust engine that delivers a tremendous amount of understanding of the why beyond just the how.
So the bottom line is, what solution are you solving for here?
We're really solving for the context of understanding data that now becomes knowledge. What does this really mean to me, and what do I do about it as an organization? So really upending the methodology by which you truly ask a question and understanding if you're asking the right questions in your environment.
So say 3 to 5 years from now, how do you think that your technology and your business is going to change the world?
Well, I believe that less is more. And so it really is taking this huge amount of data and really whittling it down into what does that mean? So really creating that tremendous contextual knowledge base that can help people pinpoint exactly how they can impact their businesses today and in the future.
So Kirsten Bay, thank you for joining us today from Intensity, and hope you enjoy the conference.
Thank you so much for having us.